Welcome to Clermont, where small town charm meets big time vision. This isn't just a city, it's a lifestyle. Nestled in the heart of Central Florida, Clermont is a hidden gem. Think rolling hills, lakefront views, vibrant local businesses, and a community that still feels like home. From weekend farmers markets to downtown festivals, there's always something happening, and it's only going to get better. The coolest parts about Clermont, Florida is its downtown area. It's super new, super cool, tons of restaurants coming in. But we're stood right at Victory Point. Now, Victory Point is about a 10-acre parcel of land right on the water. And right behind me, you'll notice Lake Mineola. It's one of the largest lakes, and it sits right on the downtown area, so people can take their boats from their homes if they live on the chain of lakes, take it straight into downtown, go have a little bit of dinner. If you're here on a Sunday, maybe taking their boats down to the farmer's market, doing some grocery shopping, maybe having a little brunch and heading back home. But Victory Point is also going to be home to the Lumberyard District. It's a brand new development, 392 apartments with commercial space downstairs. And this is going to change the entire vibe of the downtown area. It's going to bring new life, new restaurants, new commercial spaces. And I can't wait for it to be done in the next couple of years. Now, let's talk about the future. This is Wellness Way, a massive, master-planned project redefining what it means to live, work, and play in Clermont. It's not just a development, it's transformation. Wellness Way is bringing in new schools, high-end shopping, dining, sports facilities, and entertainment zones, all designed to elevate daily life. From townhomes for first-time homebuyers to spacious single-family homes, even multi-generational setups for growing families. And yes, luxury living is here too. Elevated architecture and premium finishes. Now, Wellness Way has many builders in the area, and in future videos, we will be highlighting each and every single one of them, from single-family homes to multi-generational, all the way to luxury homes. Clermont, once remote, now central. The Lake Orange connector links Wellness Way to 429, cutting 15 miles to Disney and Winter Garden. Just 30 miles to the airport via the Turnpike, and US 27 ties it all together. Clermont is more than just a destination, it's a movement, and you deserve to be a part of it. If you're ready to explore the future of Clermont, let's connect. Whether you're buying, investing, or dreaming big, I'm here to guide you on your home journey.